Today we are talking about the Amman Veterinary Clinic, located inside the Gaza Strip, which has been and continues to be, since the beginning of the terrifying war on the Gaza Strip, trying to help animals in various ways, especially in light of the absence of supported organizations. Amman Clinic has launched many humanitarian initiatives to treat, rescue, and shelter many displaced and oppressed animals since October 7. The clinic has opened its doors inside its main headquarters before it was destroyed in Rafah to receive injured animals. The clinic staff has worked to establish a shelter on the roof of Dr. Aid's house, while launching many field initiatives to feed and treat street animals. Unfortunately, after we were displaced and moved to Deir al-Balah, we lost all the equipment that we had carefully collected, but we didn't give up. In conclusion, we call on all people and organizations around the world to work intensively to stop this Holocaust and alleviate the suffering of humans and animals, especially with the growing crisis due to the non-importation of goods. You can contribute with us to saving animals in Gaza by donating or sharing the link to our campaign in our bio.